Guys, today we will be doing assault rifles only, so let's pick a gun. Let me pick a gun real quick.
Well, I got a knife.
Nah, just tripping. Should I go with the Scar, bro? I think I should do it. Let me just do it, modifications real quick.
Yeah, you try Scar. Alright, let's go, bro. All those son of a bitches. I are on nigga. Bro, come on, change it to Battle Royale.
Hey, chill, bro.
Finally.
Why does my gun look so weird, bro? Why does the Scar look so weird, bro?
Oh, because it's the modifications, probably.
I know, but why is it so short now? It's so short.
Try Scar, actually. I'll try it later in Hot Zone.
Breathtaking penalty.
Jam 5. Oke, jam 12. Hah? Sekarang jam 12. Bro, why are you not starting?
Oh, yeah.
Nigga couldn't see.
Bro, whenever we're like trying to heal, I'm gonna use my ice barrier and you're gonna use your grenade, okay?
Then I'm gonna be EMT.
Bro, what the hell is this recoil, bro? I thought this said recoil. This isn't recoil, bro. What the hell is this? It is still OP though.
Manifest yourself.
Nah, bro needs ammo in pre-game.
Bro, we're all bro. Guys, bro, someone do be simping over Ron or something like that, bro.
Yeah.
You know why? Sentry camp. Let's go to sentry camp.
Wait first, and then when we're on top of it, we're gonna go, okay? Okay, go down.
Together, we can make it.
I see a lot of people landing here.
Who cares anyway? We're still gonna obliterate them.
Guys,
Oh yeah, I'm dead now, bro. I'm dead. They're fighting. Well, I'm trying to loot, bro. Oh, frick, there's a person here.
Enemies. Take it, hit. Cover me.
Afric. He died. Eh.
Using bandage.
bro, it's only giving me shotguns. I don't want a shotgun.
Why did I equip a
I
vector,
want an
bro?
assault rifle, god damn it.
There's no assault rifle.
Oh my god, brother. Okay, come on. Oh, I got a knife. I like that. Bro, look at my knife, bro. I feel faster too.
Bro, we're never gonna get. Bro, why did you go there without me? Bro, that's an SMG, goddammit.
I don't have anything else though.
Just wait it.
I'm going to the rocket base.
You do know we're going out of the base, right? I mean, no, like the.
I don't care, bro. It doesn't matter. We can get an enemy. Why can't I say anyway?
Okay.
Bro, look at my knife, bro. Isn't it so cool?
No. Just kidding. Give me assault rifle. Freaking assault. Why did they give us shotgun? Is this assault rifle? Oh yeah, that's an SMG.
What? That's an SMG.
I hate this, guys. Why, guys? Why?
I already have an assault rifle because of the guy I killed.
Oh wait, bro.
There's a scar here.
Give me that, bro. Give me that, bro. Frick, there's an enemy. Oh my god, he has an AK-47 ranged back, bro. Give me that scar, bro.
Bro, this has two P90s, bro.
What? Bro, should I pick the P90 or the scar? I don't know.
Bro, we're doing an assault rifle only.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
I saw a guy landing.
Let me get the car. Let me get the car.
Bro, should I pick a CAG custom or an AK-47 custom?
AK CAG, I guess.
Taking hit. Enemy.
But okay, AK-47 has better damage.
Okay, fine. Just pick it, whatever.
Okay, I don't have a CAG. Bro, if you when you slide, it feel like it's so satisfying to pull out the knife.
Get in. Get in. Get in. Let's go.
Hey, let's head over here.
Ale, ale, ale.
Yo, bro, wait. Stop first, bro. Stop first. I got refill on ammo.
Same, bro. We're gonna do it in a line. In a line.
Came from the sky, bro.
No, I should have fought. Oh, I didn't even have any that much money, anyways. I couldn't even afford it, to be honest.
Bro, why are you walking like that?
What? What?
Oh, you look so funny walking. Bro, your whole body is jiggling, bro.
Bro, that's messed up, bro.
You're not right, bro. Your head is so wiggly. Okay, let's loot up
I see
here.
it. I see an enemy, bro.
I got a rocket launcher, bro.
Nah, bro, you're tripping.
It came in with the AK-47 packed with house.
One dead.
There's a CAC-6 if you want.
Taking hit.
What the hell, bro?
But I'll fight
This man just comboed me or something. Enemy detected. Ah, frick! I'm so scared now. They're just gonna like, you know.
Heal up, bro. Heal up.
using guidance.
Let me help you.
Taking hit.
Bro, what the hell? I'm so scared.
Using bandage.
Nah, there's no more ice barrier, bro. I'm so scared.
Wait,
Ah, frick. What should I do, bro? Okay. I'm coming.
Hold up.
head to the target.
Let me just, yeah. Let me just do that. Crouch.
Using a bandage.
There's an enemy there.
Inpatient at elbow.
This man just quit the game. No! Bro, you're literally gonna die.
Using bandage. Target eliminated.
Oh my god, you actually killed. Where did this mic come from?
But where is he? Oh, hell no.
Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. I see him.
Using a bandage. Watch out for grenade.
He's throwing grenades, bro. He's throwing grenades. Ah! I have no more grenades too, bro. I see him. He's right there. He's peeking. I have no heals too, bro.
Run.
Come to my defense. Ice.
We're dead, bro.
Where is he? Where?
My running in the air. One dead, one dead.
Where's the other one? I just got an ambush.
I see him, I see him, I see him.
Enemy.
I got
Wait, reload.
Did he die?
There's an enemy here.
Enemy.
One dead, one dead. Nice! Oh, we actually aced that.
There's a tag custom here.
I need a Scar custom, to be honest. AK-47 custom, bro. Oh, there's a Kala, bro. I'm so...
I got a no recoil build, so yeah.
Is that another enemy?
Let's go on break.
Yeah, there's another enemy here. One dead.
Unstoppable.
URB sniper support there, but I think that's an SMG.
Bro, we just clutched that up, bro.
I know, bro. We're just still stuck in... Oh, I see one. I see one. I see one. Ah, frick.
Manifest yourself.
Nice. Nice, bro.
Wait for me to reload.
That's all OP that's OP
Eliminated.
Bro, this guy has no recoil as well. Bro, this guy's build also has no recoil.
Who's build? This guy?
I already got the build. Bro, let's go energy. Let's go energy.
Bro, my hands are shaking right now.
Bro, we do be clutching up too much. Our hands are shaking so much.
Shouldn't be whisk. That's bro. What the hell was that? Oh, shooter season pass.
I just hear something.
Oh, shooter needs a dicks. So, but if you want baby. Do not hit to the target, bro.
Heads to the target.
Nah, don't. There's a dead body over here.
Mission accepted. He's right there. Bro, this is literally, this is literally the mafia, but on like, a battle royale.
Where the hell is he? I don't feel safe in the open, bro.
I know, bro. I see him. He's there. He's there, bro. He's there. Nice.
We got the cash. We got everything we need. We gotta go, bro.
We're running. Bro, do I run so weirdly, bro? Bro, see how I walk? Bro, see how I walk? Is it weird?
Bro, bro.
What?
Why are you walking like that, bro? Stop jiggling.
What do you mean by that? You're so weird.
Bro, your whole body's jiggling, bro. Oh damn, bro, your head is like a goddamn slime, bro. Goddamn, stop looking left and right, bro.
I think that's less enemies. See him on here? Dead. Oh, let me get that hole.
Bro, I'm down, bro, I'm down. Bro, help me, bro, help me.
Wait. How do I?
Help me.
So why is it so faster now all of a sudden?
Enemy there.
Oh frick! There's a fire there. Find it. Oh frick!
I can't shoot.
One dead.
Godlike.
Bro, let me
Using a
use my
bandage.
bandage. Let me use my bandage.
Wait for me to reload.
This is good for the clips.
Bro, don't go there. You're literally gonna die, bro.
Where's that guy shooting from?
I don't know too. Just stop.
Wait, let me stay near you so I can get my shield back.
Bro, put your. Oh my god, he's landing here, bro. He's literally there, bro. Ah, what the heck? Wait,
I can't see him, bro.
is he there? He's literally right there. I'm dead. He's up there. I killed him.
Using bandage.
Nah, he. Stop! Let me go up there. Nice. Good for clips, bro.
That's so annoying. What gun does he have? He's a Kyla.
Nah, bro, this is too intense, bro.
Me, bro, my hands.
Nah, bro, we gotta hide.
Bro, my hands are wetter than me and your mom in bed, bro.
Rifle ammo.
I got the most OPest loader I could ever have for assault rifles. Making my way downtown, walking fast, singing past, and I'm homebound. Ding, 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 ding.
Like 2 more people.
It's a 1v1, bro. 2v2. Let me track them real quick. They're right there. They're right there, bro. I'm so scared that they're just gonna obliterate us.
Bro, I can't put my gun.
I killed him. Bro, stay still. What the hell, bro?
Watch out, bro.
We surely didn't get the win.
We won.
No, we got second place.
No, this is 2 out of 50.
Yeah, we got second.
No.
Then how did he not die, huh? If we won, it should have been 1 out of 50 or whatever.
No, it needs to be 2 out of 50 because we're a duo, goddammit.
No, but we died before him, so that means that we lost.
I'm leaving.
What?